In this video, we will learn about the quality or timbre of a sound. So the quality or timbre is a characteristic of a sound due to which we distinguish between two sounds of same loudness, same pitch, but produced by two different persons or two different musical instruments. Now, we can recognize a person by simply listening his sound without actually seeing him on the account of characteristic quality. Just like loudness and pitch, quality of sound too is a subjective quantity and merely a sensation. Okay. Now the objective of physical quantity governing the quality of sound is the waveform of a given sound. Now the quality and waveform of a sound. So sound produced by a tuning fork or is a pure sound of a single frequency. Okay. However, sounds produced by all other musical instruments are quite complex. Now, if we produce a sound of same fundamental frequency, that is mu naught of same amplitude, let's say A, from two different musical instruments, then depending upon the design, construction, and technique of the starting vibrations in an instrument, notes of various overtones are produced over and above the fundamental tone. Now, you will learn more about these words, that is overtone and the fundamental tone, in the upcoming chapters. So, as a result, the resultant sound produced by a musical instrument is a combined effect of fundamental tone and various overtones produced and is thus quite complex in nature. Now, the resultant waveform differs from one instrument to the other, although they are of same fundamental frequency and same amplitude. Now, due to the different waveforms of a sound produced by different musical instruments, we can distinguish between the sound produced by these instruments. Similarly, the vibration produced by the vocal cord of any person have a characteristic waveform which is different for different persons. Suppose I am teaching you this particular lecture. Now, if this lecture is taken by any other educator, you can easily find the difference in our voice because of our characteristic waveform. Okay, this enables us to identify a person simply by listening to his sound. Okay, now this is a waveform by a tuning fork. As you can see, the waveform or the wave pattern or the continuity. Now this is by a flute. So depending on this, when we hear this, the sensation gives us that this is a different than a tuning fork. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.